Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear for your daily brew. I'm Erica, and today I'm super excited to talk about the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro, a game changer for home espresso. If you're looking to level up your coffee game, stick around. This machine might just steal your heart. Let's start with the features. The Gaggia Classic Evo Pro is a semi-automatic espresso machine with a sleek stainless steel body built like a tank in Italy. It delivers 9-bar pressure for rich, authentic espresso shots. You get a commercial-grade 58mm portafilter, which is rare at this price point, and a redesigned steam wand for silky microfoam, perfect for latte art. The brass boiler ensures consistent heat, and the compact design fits nicely on any countertop. It comes with single and double shot baskets, plus a pressurized basket for beginners so you can dial in your perfect shot. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the pro side, this machine punches above its weight. It's powerful, with commercial-grade components that deliver cafe-quality espresso. The build is rock solid and it's upgradable, so it grows with your skills. It's also a great value for the price, especially for enthusiasts who love tweaking their brew. On the downside, there's a learning curve. If you're new to espresso, expect some trial and error to get those shots just right. The steam wand, while improved, isn't as flexible as some pricier machines, and it can be a bit slow to heat up for steaming milk. So who's this for? I recommend the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro if you're serious about espresso and don't mind putting in a little work to master it. It's ideal for home baristas who want quality without breaking the bank. If you're after a fully automatic machine or don't want to learn the ropes, you might want to look elsewhere. But for most coffee fans, the pros, durability, shot quality, and value make this a fantastic choice. Ready to brew like a pro? Check out the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro on Amazon using the link in the description below. You'll find the best pricing and any special promotions we've tracked down at Rick's Review Hub. If you enjoyed this review, please like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more coffee gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.